Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything, I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture. It's not enough for them. And they want sound. I'm also gonna do the video in Spanish at the end. Voy a hacer el video en español al final. Let me take out my... sorry about that. I forgot about to take my uniform. Alright. See what we got here. Echo cs-303T. Guys, don't fight for it, please. I have many of them. I have like 20. Don't fight. I have a lot. Look. I have a lot of steels and everything. No, I'm joking. I have like 20 of these, the same one, exactly the same. Don't worry about it, okay? In case you don't get one, I'm gonna put a lot in the auctions. Alright guys, remember I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a machine with damage, okay? In case you're asking yourself why I take everything apart, if you're new in my channel, I like to show you the best, you know, I'm trying to be the fair as I can, okay? Remember, you're looking at broken equipment. These machines are for parts, not to be fixing, okay? Let me see if I can get a better shot there. Let me open a little more inside. Not bad, not bad. When I throw the flash, you're gonna see a little better inside there. Okay, I think it has like a little water. Let me blow there. That's it. Better now. Yep. Let me shut down the phone for a second. That can hear me better. We got the clutch right here. Okay. It comes with acceleration. Everything is working. Let me see where is on the front. Let's do a little test. Oh, look at that shine. Ooh, my God, can I even look? Look at that baby. Can I even check if it has gasoline? We're gonna check now. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, remember you can subscribe to my channel. Alright? Or subscribe to an eBay, my store, whatever you want to do it. Like that you can see when I'm putting videos. Okay, you got the muffler, the handle, okay, it's working. You're gonna see working in a moment. You got your filter, cover, and the lock, and the cover. Put it on here. Alright guys, let's go. Let's give it a shot to see where we are. I'm gonna check to see if we got gasoline. We got everything, okay? Alright, let's hit it. Alright, not that good, but it's better than nothing. Alright, we'll see. We have this baby right here. We'll move it. Alright, we're good with this. First, we're gonna do the test without the spark plug, and then we're gonna put one with we're gonna do it with a spark plug, and then we're gonna start it like that. You can hear different sounds of the machine in case I maybe hope it's in anything. Remember, guys, I sell for parts. I sell broken equipment, broken machines. Right. Let's see where we're at. too much. Alright, I'm gonna put the spot plug now, okay? Let's see. The one that came is a little dirty. We're gonna give him a mini cleanup real quick. Alright. Alright, let's check the gasoline. I haven't done it yet. Let's see what we got here. Oh no, this is the oil. Let's see. Okay, we got good oil. Let me see if you can appreciate that. But we got good oil inside there, clean. That's nice. Alright, we got good gasoline too. That means we don't need to do anything, guys. I think with this will be enough to give it a shot, okay? Alright, let me see. It's still good. You see me there? A little bit, you don't know. Let me go up like that a little more. Alright. We're hitting the. You see it's working. Gonna choke it. Alright, let's go over here like we always do. Let me see if I can change this and then you get a better shot right there. Alright, you see we're on, we're off. Let's see what we're at. I think. Alright, yeah, stop it will be down. We're on here. Okay, we're on the choke. Let's hit it. Alright, you know what? Let's throw in a little of the magic liquid. I know you guys asking yourself, Robert, come on, you know the name of the game. What are you doing? Wasting your time and this and that. I know. It's okay. Oh, guys, she's alive. She's alive. Let me see, was a choke? Okay, the choke went in. Alright, that's it. Remember, how without the muffler, I'm not gonna go rah rah like that. You hear? I can't because I'm without the muffler in my ears. Alright, good. Alright, hit it again. Alright, one more time. Alright, you got it there, guys. Easy, baby. Calm down, little one. Nothing happened. Even the sunshine of Florida is hitting there. Look at that. Beautiful weather today, guys. Beautiful weather. Oh, you have it here. I'm gonna put everything back. I'm gonna throw pictures of everything. And that's it, guys. You have it here for parts or repairs. Remember, for parts. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel. Press like. You can go to YouTube and subscribe. Like that, you see when I'm putting videos. Or the same thing you can do with eBay and my store. I have a lot of equipment. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate your time and everything. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Tenemos una Eco cs-303T. No se me fajen ahora, que tengo como 15 de ellas. No se me fajen, tenemos tiempo. Espérense que estaba afinando la garganta. Bueno, y aquí saben, y ahí les tiré una fotico adentro. Ya vieron ya cómo está el equipo. Mira eso que está bien cuidadita. Y le enseñé el pistón adentro. Se ve bien cuidadita esta máquina. Bien cuidada. Acuérdense que yo vendo para parte, no para arreglar. Si se pregunta por qué quito el mofle, en todos mis equipos hago lo mismo para que puedan ver un poquito el pistón, cómo sube y baja. Trato de ser lo más correcto posible. Ustedes saben cómo funciona. Ahí tienen, lo que ahora tiene la presión. Pero bueno, ahí pueden ver un poquito. Ahí está mi gente. Bueno, cualquier cosita ya saben. Suscríbanse a mi canal. Alguna pregunta, aquí estamos. Les gusta lo que estoy haciendo, lo mismo puede ser en YouTube a través de eBay. Bueno, ya saben que se une a la raza.